Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add motion blur in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So adding motion blur in Adobe Premiere Pro isn't as direct as in After Effects, which has built-in motion blur switches, but you can still achieve it by following some few different methods. So first of all, use your directional blur effect. You need to import and place your clip on the timeline. Once you have done this, you can simply go to the Effects panel and search for Directional Blur. Once you have searched for Directional Blur, drag and drop it onto your clip, and in the Effect Control panel, adjust your blur length. This determines the strength of your blur. You can set the direction to match the movement of your subject. Example, 90° for vertical and 0° for horizontal. Keyframe blur length so that the blur appears during fast motion and reduces when motion stops. You can use this method to get the motion blur effect on your pictures or videos on Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.